Okay, so I don't know if this video is gonna go on my main channel or my vlog channel. I don't know. First off, if I'm out of breath, it's because I'm pregnant. This is your first time seeing one of my videos. I am currently pregnant with my 5th baby, so if I seem out of breath, I am, and that's pregnancy related. Okay, so I have to get on here and just voice my opinion. I used to do this all the time, like years and years ago. I used to voice my opinion about anything and everything. And I would get a lot of backlash for it because I feel like, and I'm not like tooting my own horn or anything, but this is just like real talk. I feel like I was one of the first like beauty people to like speak their mind and like not be afraid to say something that people don't want to hear, or I don't know, what am I trying to say? I feel like I was one of the first beauty YouTubers to be able to make a video voicing their opinion, whether it's good or bad, and not really care what people think. And a lot of people didn't like that. But now, you know, you can speak out. You have all these drama channels. Like now, drama is what gets views. Backing up, I have been on YouTube since 2006. That is 14 years. I have been on this platform a very, very, very long time. So I feel like I can speak about this. Because I've been on the platform for so long, I've seen it change and evolve and change again, not necessarily for the better. There's just been so much drama going on lately, and I feel like I just have to talk about it because like this has been my platform for 14 years. I've seen people come on here and totally fuck it up and ruin it. So back when I first started making beauty videos, it was all about the makeup. There was no YouTube partner program. Back then, you got your videos monetized like one at a time. I remember when one of my videos was first eligible for monetization, I got an email and I was so excited. And I vividly remember the day that I became like an official YouTube partner. It was November 4th, 2010. I remember I got the email and I was so excited. But before all that, it wasn't about the money. It was fun. And there were genuinely good people on this platform. Now, there are genuinely not good people on this platform. There are people that are just money hungry and money driven, and they will do anything and everything to make money. That could be a whole other video. But mainly what I wanted to talk about was like some of the drama going on right now. First off with family vloggers. The whole Myka Stauffer situation is just, it's disgusting. It really is. Obviously, I don't know all the details. You don't know all the details. No one will ever know all the details. But from what I do know, she clearly used that little boy to gain YouTube fame. Back when I started my vlog channel, if you didn't know, I have a vlog channel. I've had it since 2010. Back when I started my channel, like my videos and my videos today are still just documenting my kids when we went on like vacations and stuff, or like day in the life vlogs. Like that's just purely for memories. It was never for the money. Never. And I feel like that is not the case for the majority of family vlog channels today. I feel like a lot of kids are being exploited, like that poor little boy. Oh my gosh. And I get so like, I get so angry when like innocent children are involved because they're just that. They're innocent children. That whole situation is just disgusting. And then they're trying to come back on YouTube on his channel like nothing ever happened. It's like, no, you don't belong on YouTube. Like you don't. You do not belong on YouTube. You are not a good person and you are tainting this platform. And then you have people like, what the hell is their name? Oh, 8 Passengers, where the mom like literally like interviews her kids and talks about the mistakes that they've made and like them getting in trouble and stuff. Like how fucking embarrassing is that? That's just wrong to exploit your kids' mistakes for views. Like literally interviewing them and being like, Katie, why did you push Johnny? Like that's fucked up. Like why are you doing that? You're just doing that for views. Like stop. I used to love watching family vloggers, and now there's only a handful that I watch because a lot of them are just exploiting their children. And then you have people like Jeffree Star. Let's talk about Jeffree Star. So I have not been a fan of Jeffree Star since back in the MySpace days. I think I had MySpace. No, I didn't have it in high school. This was definitely after high school. Like my early 20s, I had MySpace. And it was like, this is when it was like all the rage, everyone had it, you know, top 8. If you're not in someone's top 8, then you're not shit. But yeah, I vividly remember him on MySpace and just thinking like, what an arrogant piece of shit. And still, I think, what an arrogant piece of shit. I mean, there's many other ways I could describe him too. But like, he just came on YouTube and he just like, he doesn't belong on YouTube. He really doesn't. He's definitely tainted this platform. He has been involved in so much drama over the past, like, how many years? And how old is he? I think he's like a year younger than me, or a couple years younger than me. He's like 33, right? Like, dude, what are you fucking doing? Like, still thriving on drama. Like, grow the fuck up. All the shit that he's done in his past, like his racist tendencies. And people are like, oh, he's changed. People can change. I put a poll. Actually, can you still see? If you do a poll on Instagram, can you still see the results like days later? You can't, right? Hold on. I don't even know how I do that. I'm so new to like Instagram stories. I only do Instagram stories like not often. Yeah, I don't think you can. I asked people like, what are your thoughts on like Jeffree Star? Do you think we should cancel him? Because that's the terminology that all the kids are using, right? Like, cancel him. I'm gonna cancel you. Cancel you. Yeah, cancel him or people can change. And for Jeffree Star, actually the majority of people said cancel him, which I thought was good. And then I asked people about Shane Dawson, and the majority of people said people can change. So they thought that Shane Dawson can change, but Jeffree Star can't. And my opinion is that everyone makes mistakes. Obviously, you know, everyone's done shit in their past that they're not proud of. But when it becomes like a repetitive behavior and you're doing like fucked up shit, like Shane Dawson was doing, like his multiple blackface videos and the way that he talked to children, that just literally makes my skin crawl and I want to throw up everywhere because that is fucking repulsive. The stuff that he used to say to children and his own family members, like, oh my gosh, disgusting. He claims he did it for like shock value. It's like, no dude, that's fucking gross. And the fact that it was lots of videos, like lots and lots and lots of times over like years, is even more fucked up. I've been watching this one drama channel. She doesn't like to call herself a drama channel. She calls herself a commentary channel. Her name is Without a Crystal Ball, and I've been watching her videos. That's how I first heard about the Myka stoffer situation. Was like one of her videos got recommended to me because I've been trying to stay out of drama like for years. I'm just like, I'm too old. I don't got time for that shit. Like, I have 4 kids, I'm pregnant. Like, I don't have time for that shit. So I've been staying out of drama and like not voicing my opinion. Like, there's been so much drama over the years that I've just stayed quiet on. Like, in my head, I've been like, holy shit, but I've stayed quiet on YouTube about it. So yeah, so one of her videos was recommended to me and I watched it. And I was like, oh, I like her channel, you know, like she makes thought out videos, you know, thorough research, you know, like I like her channel. And then I saw a video about her the other day where she's talking about how she can't wait to be old because I'll link the tweet down below. You can see the video. She says she can't wait to be old and be in a nursing home and take naps, and she's excited, she specifically used that word, she's excited about being an old person and being able to sexually harass young boys. Because she said when you're that old, you deserve to be a sexual harasser. Like, what? What? And then she goes on making all these videos about Shane Dawson being like, you're a pedophile, you're a horrible person. It's like, don't come after someone if you don't have a clear past. Like, what the fuck are you doing? So yeah, that was kind of disappointing to me because, like I said, I had watched her videos. I liked her channel. I thought she did, you know, like good videos. Like a lot of drama channels are just doing it for the views, and you know, I just don't like them. But her videos, like, she seemed intelligent and I just liked watching her videos. But now I'm just like, you're a fucking hypocrite. Sorry, this video is all over the place, but I just had to get on here and just voice my opinion. Like I said, I've been on this platform for so long and I've seen just everything. And like Shane Dawson has been on the platform for a long time too. I don't know when he made his YouTube channel. Let's check. He's been on here a year longer than me. He created his account 2005 and I created mine 2006. What's messed up about the Shane Dawson situation is that, you know, these aren't like new videos. These are old videos and people thought that they were funny back then. And I do agree. I do feel like over the years people have become like more sensitive. But the stuff that he was talking about, like, it's wrong. Like, it's not a matter of being sensitive. It's just fucking flat out 100% wrong. I don't know what else to say. I just had to make this video and just just tell you guys, I guess mainly, just be careful who you idolize on YouTube. I know I've made a video like this in the past, like telling you guys, be careful who you idolize on YouTube because, you know, behind the scenes, they're probably not who you think they are. You know, you have like master manipulators on YouTube, like Jeffree Star. The guy's fucking smart. He knows how to manipulate people. He knows how to manipulate people, you know, like he's just very, very, very smart. So yeah, be careful who you idolize and who you pay, honestly, because your views are paying these people. All right, I'm gonna go now. I just want to make this video and just put my opinion out there because like I said, I've been on here for so long and I just can't keep quiet about the shit that's going on. I'm gonna go back to my drama-free bubble. Well, no, actually, it's not drama-free. I've got 3 toddlers and you should hear what they argue about. It's actually really funny and I'll take that any day over the bullshit on YouTube. But yeah, if you take anything away from this video, it's just be careful who you idolize on YouTube, or maybe idolize is a strong word. Just be careful who you pay. Be careful who you give your views to because like I said, your views are paying these people's bills. I'm gonna go now. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. I'll talk to you guys in my next video.